You won't guess number 1. Weekly volume stocks ranked. In this 8-minute value snapshot, we'll explain what each company does and why recent headlines matter, ranking them from lowest to highest weekly volume. I'm Willis, and today, I'm walking you through 5 market-moving names: PayPal, FIGS, Dell Technologies, Block, Netflix. Over the next 8 minutes, I'll break down what these companies actually do. We're ranking these from lowest to highest weekly volume, so you can see where traders are concentrating their attention. Disclaimer will appear at the end. PayPal is a global digital payments platform, online commerce, mobile wallets, merchant services. The company handles transactions for consumers, businesses, aiming to be the plumbing for online money movement. Recently, PayPal reported a disappointing fourth quarter that missed expectations, that triggered a roughly 20% decline in the stock. That miss was followed quickly by a leadership change on February 3, 2026, which amplified investor anxiety. Leadership turnovers after misses signal strategic shifts or accountability, and traders reacted by repricing the company's near-term prospects. Compounding the pain is a securities fraud class action alleging misrepresentations about 2027 targets. For long-term holders, the core business still processes enormous volumes globally, but near-term execution and guidance credibility are big concerns. Weekly volume, 23,636,671, lowest on our list. Watch 2027 targets and leadership's early moves. FIGS designs and sells medical apparel and accessories, and it's carved out a niche selling premium scrubs and healthcare uniforms direct to consumer and through wholesale channels. Design, comfort, and community engagement drive loyalty and margins. In fourth quarter 2025, FIGS reported record results with robust revenue growth. The market reacted with roughly a 23% rally and guided to about $700 million for fiscal 2026. Clear growth plus bold guidance drew retail interest and speculative flows, but execution and inventory management remain key risks. Watch gross margins and customer retention to validate momentum. Weekly volume, 26,067,961, above PayPal in our ranking. Chapter 3. Dell sells PCs, servers, storage, a wide range of enterprise IT solutions, a backbone for corporate computing. What moved Dell this week was a fiscal 2026 beat that topped expectations and highlighted a robust AI server order book. Enterprises and cloud providers are investing heavily to run AI workloads, and Dell is a beneficiary. A growing backlog suggests multi-quarter demand and revenue visibility. Predictable, larger AI orders attract institutions. Weekly volume, 33,475,160, reflecting scale and the AI opportunity. Watch supply fulfillment and margin mix between AI servers and commodity PCs. If backlog fulfillment stays strong and AI wallet share grows, momentum could persist into fiscal 27. Chapter 4. Block, the parent of Square, provides payments and merchant services, point-of-sale hardware, and seller and consumer financial software. This week, Block reported a Q4 revenue beat, but also announced a major headcount reduction of roughly 40%. Revenue strength versus sweeping cuts created a tug-of-war in sentiment. Investors often reward cost cuts that accelerate profitability, but such large layoffs raise questions about growth and service levels. Weekly volume, 40,656,952. Structural change drew institutions and event traders. Watch guidance revisions, product roadmap cadence, and merchant retention. Recurring merchant streams can stabilize results if churn stays low. The key question: can Block sustain innovation and service while executing deep cost savings? Chapter 5. Netflix is a leading global streaming service producing licensing film and TV content, scaling a huge subscriber base across geographies. This week's headline was high-stakes deal drama. Netflix exited the bidding after a rival offer made the deal unattractive that can signal prudence on price and strategic fit, or a missed content scale opportunity. Investors weigh this against margin targets, subscriber trends, and ARPU and content ROI. Weekly volume, 200,459,722. M&A chatter supercharged flows. Watch strategic moves around libraries and distribution. The market is laser-focused. Outro. We just ran through 5 big names: PayPal, FIGS, Dell, Block, and Netflix, ranked by weekly trading volume. PayPal, FIGS, Dell, Block, Netflix. PayPal dealing with a miss and legal overhang, Figs riding a growth wave with bold guidance, Dell benefiting from AI server demand, Block balancing a revenue beat with a huge workforce reduction, Netflix navigating strategic M&A judgment calls. If you're watching markets, weekly volume shows where attention and potential volatility concentrate, helping prioritize research. Volumes shown are weekly trading volumes. Keep an eye on earnings calls, guidance updates, and any legal or deal developments that could reprice these names quickly. Spoken disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not financial, investment, or legal advice. Consult a licensed professional before making any investment decisions. Sources cited in description. Thanks for watching.